Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how you can solve a problem that was posted on LinkedIn, which is a challenge posted by Omid Mutamidisida, and the number of this challenge is 224. So in this problem we need to split a value of column ID. We need to split this value at the position of the second hyphen. Okay, so for example here we need to split at this part and this one here, so in each value at the second hyphen. So I will show you how you can do that by following these 4 steps. First, we will create first the variable ID, which will contain all these values. So here I will use the function let, which is new function in Excel. We will name it ID, okay, and here we select this range of cells. I try ID, and okay, we have the list of our IDs. Then the second step is to extract the string before the second hyphen. Here we will use the function text before. First I will name this part ID1, and here I will use the function text before or text before ID, and here the delimiter is our hyphen, and as the third parameter we can specify the instance number. So here I will say to this function to split at the second hyphen. Okay, so here 2, and we will try ID1, and here I have the result. For each cell I have the first part, which is before the second hyphen. Now I need to create the second column. In the second column I have to extract everything after the second hyphen. So I can use the first column as the first is IT, I will call it, sorry, ID2. But this time I will use another function, which is text after. Okay, and here I will say text after ID, and at this time I need to split all the part after the first part followed by hyphen. So here I will use ID, the delimiter is ID1, the first column, and followed by hyphen. We will check ID2, and now I have the second part. Here you can see this part corresponds to this one is this one, and so on. Now I need to have the result into a single table, so I can use another new function, which is at horizontal stake. So I will use horizontal stake of stake ID1 and ID2. Okay, I have 2. Okay, and now I have the result. The last step, I need to add the column's name. So here it's very simple. I have just to use another function, which is vertical stake, and this time I need to write the name of my columns. The name of the columns must be we need to put them into curly brackets. Okay, so I open my curly brackets. The first column is I close my curly brackets, and this time, and I close my formula. And here I used three functions. The first is text before, to extract everything before the second hyphen. Then I use the text after to extract everything after the first part followed by hyphen. Okay, so which means everything after the second hyphen. And finally, I combined everything by using vstake to combine the name of my columns with the result, my final result. I combined them by using stake, and here I get my result, which corresponds to the correct answer. And we, with this new function, we solved the problem posted by Omid. And that's it for this challenge. So don't forget to follow me on LinkedIn or on my YouTube channel. I will create another videos to show how to solve other problems that are posted on or challenges that are posted on LinkedIn. So thank you and goodbye.